Hey guys, welcome to Everywhere Coco. So this channel is gonna be about Coco, my car. It's a 2014 Honda Civic SI. Basically, what I'm gonna be doing on this channel are just a bunch of mods. Hopefully, if the money's right. Basic installs, DIY stuff with it, basic maintenance. So that's basically what this channel is going to be about. Now, if there's anything you guys request on there, want to know about the car, similar cars, or anything like that, feel free to let me know. I'd be happy to cover it. And if you do like this content, like, comment, subscribe. That way I know you guys are liking my shit and I can make more of it. Couldn't have been a nicer day to do this, right?
Yeah, you're right.
All right, let's go see where Coco's at. Why is
What?
Ben's car like that? Did we get home drunk or something? What the hell? Hey, look at Coco, looking all cute. That's loud. Yeah, you can let it go. Ben's about to open the garage. This is where I've got my exhaust and my front lip. And that is Zapdos. Zapdos is the 1973 Corvette that I convinced Ben to buy off of Let Go, the app. And kinda been working on it. I haven't been really for a while. But yeah. Here we got the exhaust, and here's the exhaust outside. For real. Here we got the gaskets, all the hardware, a sticker. See what I'll do with that. Hello there. I've already taken off the exhaust, so I just had the Invidia N1 on my car, but that shit was too loud, so took it off, cleaned it up, returned it, and got the Q300. So my car's just been sitting here for a few weeks. Alright, so I'm gonna start installing the piping. First piece to it, I've got the gasket that comes with it, and the hardware, I believe they're all 14 mils sockets. And I'm gonna use some grease also, just to make sure that it doesn't get stuck on there, the nut onto the bolt. And my friend's gonna just give me a hand with this, but this is definitely easily a one-man job, but if you got someone else, it's easier. All right, so Ben has the rest of the, don't do that, Ben. Ben has the rest of the exhaust. He's got the resonator piece. And don't forget to use your hangers on from the stock exhaust. They should work just fine. Hope I don't bite myself in the ass with that one and they don't work.
You got the gasket, you got the 314 mils bolts with the nuts. You got down that way. Don't forget to put your hanger right over there. Gasket again, 1 bolt, 2 bolts, and you just keep following it down. And then you got 2 more hangers down that way. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on and see how it sounds. Alright, so I haven't turned it on just yet. This is the tailpipe down here, and a lot of people have been complaining about getting a rattling sound from these exhausts. Oh no, actually, I thought it was gonna rattle. Well, I still haven't turned it on, but the top of the tailpipe right here was touching against the plastic here. So any vibration, obviously I would have heard that, but I didn't see anything else. I didn't see the muffler touching. I know the coupe versions, the FG4s, get a lot of that issue around here and around the heat shield, around the mid pipe, but I haven't heard too much of that problem with the FB6, so hopefully it should be okay. You want to crank it, Ben? Hasn't been turned on in quite a bit, so we'll see. And then as soon as you turn it on, you want to make sure you go around and try to listen for any air escaping. I don't hear anything. He isn't revving yet though, so we'll see when he starts revving if I hear anything. Pull out the window looking.
Yeah.
All right. Alright guys, so the exhaust is on. I'm gonna go ahead and jack the car down. And yeah. Alright, so the car is back down on all tires. So as I mentioned earlier, the biggest problem that people would have is either the tailpipe touching along the plastic, or the muffler touching the heat shield, or anywhere along the mid pipe, anywhere the exhaust is hitting that the heat shield or something, or rattle. In a second, I gotta put some fucking air in my tire. This should need some air. I need some new tires soon anyway, but I'm gonna put some air in it, and then we're gonna go ahead and see how it sounds from the inside. Do a couple shots.
Who's your mama pie company?
Alright, so the exhaust has been installed. The windows are down, so we're gonna try to hear it. Did my tires squeal? Yeah. Oh, it's good. I like that. So I am super happy with the result. Coco has not sound better than this. And I'll keep you guys tuned with more mods. I'm gonna be installing, actually, if you look at these reflector pieces right here, I'm gonna be installing some LED brake lights that fit right in there. I have the JDM red Honda symbols that I'm going to be putting on there. Say hi, dude. Say hi. That's Michelle. And yeah, I mean, slowly but surely the car will be modded.